Mint chocolate chip is the perfect flavor for people who need a little bit of encouragement. When life gets tough, eating some mint chocolate chip ice cream can remind you that there are good things in the world. The cool, refreshing mint flavor is uplifting, and the chocolate chips provide a delicious contrast that makes you feel happy and satisfied. Whenever you need a boost, reach for a bowl of mint chocolate chip ice cream. It will remind you that no matter what happens, there's always something to enjoy. Cherry blossoms are the symbol of beauty and renewal, making them a beloved flower in many cultures. They are an inspiration to us all, showing us that no matter how bad things seem, there is always something beautiful to look forward to. They remind us that life is full of surprises and that every day should be cherished. Cooking with friends can be a great way to bond and have fun. It is a great way to bond with friends and to create delicious food together. Cooking together can also be a great way to learn new recipes and cooking techniques. When you cook with friends, you can have a lot of fun and enjoy great food at the same time.